Welcome back, guys. I hope everyone is well after the last week. It was a little more excited with better opportunities, a little faster, but nevertheless, there was a lot of possibilities of making money as for short-term trades. And I hope that at least some of you managed to take something from the market. And I hope that people that lost money used proper stop loss and didn't get under. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. It's gonna be a reading for the next week from 12th of June until the 19th of June. And I hope that everything looks fine. I hope that there is still volatility in the market so we can trade it, and I hope that everything will be a little better. You can trade the ups, you can trade the downs. It's all about opportunities. Okay, for the recent past we have the 9 of cups in reverse, judgment, and 2 of coins. 9 of cups in reverse. I think that there was not much love about the market last week, or not that kind of love that you would expect. And with the judgment card, I think that whatever happened was for good. So a lot of assets and probably crypto tokens and such managed to fall under the support and found their true value for now. Because if we take the last week moves as a reaction to the inflation data, that may suggest that if the data for the near future still comes worse than expected, then the market will go down more than expected. Now with the two of coins, I think that the market just went wherever the wind was blowing. So the data was bad, so the market reacted as expected. It went under. So I don't think that there's a fundamental change in the assets themselves. It is the outside macro environment and the rates hikes that are hitting the market hard. So if you don't use leverage and you like the assets that you have, you can keep them for sure, especially if their value didn't drop as much as the overall market. You can take that as a good indication that they are good with the judgment card, because it is not only that the market is down, it's about clearing the bad seeds from the good seeds. For the present, we have the Queen of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Seven of Coins in reverse. So I think that with the Queen of Swords, the information that we get from the market was one-to-one reaction to the information that was given from the Federal Reserve. So if you keep closer eye to the rate hikes and the possibilities of higher rates or rates. I think that you can have a good overall indication of where the market will go for the near future. With the King of Wands, I think that the passion was under check, so the action in the market was really logical and calculated. I don't think that there was a panic sell. I think that it was purely a reaction to the data, and you should react as accordingly. With the Seven of Coins in reverse, I think that there is still a plateau of energy, like there is not much movement for now, at least for the present, as for the week that this reading is for. So do not expect a lot of big flash moves. If the market goes up, it's gonna be gradually, like one day at a time, and if it goes down, it's gonna be slow again, one day at a time. So take that in mind. Sometimes market doesn't just snap up or down, it can just drag. So if you are trying to trade it, just pay attention to the price action and try to move with the market. For the near future, we have the Star in reverse, Ace of Cups, and Eight of Coins. So with the Star in reverse, I don't think that we are yet going to the moon or the stars. So I think that there is gonna be a little slower market. With the Ace of Cups, I think that maybe there are going to be opportunities for the people that think that we had hit the bottom, and if they try to buy now, they are going to take the assets that they really like. But if you're going to do that, please don't use leverage and expect to hold for 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year with Ace of Cups here. And with the Eight of Coins, I think that maybe there's gonna be a little more stability for now, and it's gonna be slow moving, like one day at a time, but it's gonna build up. So if there is a change of direction and the market starts to go back to the levels it was before the week ago, I think that it's gonna be a gradual move and you can trade it like that. Just be careful, you know. That's my take on the cards for this week. You just have to remember the market doesn't act the same. So 1 week you can just go straight up or straight down where there is a catalyst, and if there is no catalyst and there is no real news, the market can just go sideways for a week or two or three, and you should act accordingly and just be aware of your environment and what is happening, and prepare accordingly. Thank you, that's it, and hope you have a good week for next week. Bye.